Hi and welcome to this video about the ILT2014 Conference app. My name is Amanda Harmon and I'm one of the members of the Spectronics consultancy team. And this time what we're going to be looking at within the app is social media sharing. And basically what this is it's our ability to share comments, status updates, tweets, all within the app, and usually related to perhaps the session or some learning that we're doing. So we're going to go into the app now on the iPad and see how that works. Okay, so I'm going to open up my app now and I'm already all logged in as Lucky Amanda. So I have all my details saved in there now. And one of the things that I need to do though, so that I can share on different forms of social media, I need to actually go into, actually you can access it both your account settings and your profile settings, but let's just go into the profile settings to do it. So remember, this is where it was that I added my photo, and I can change my photo and all my other details there that I've added in. So as you can see right down at the bottom, we have the 4 buttons there that allows us to connect to our various social media accounts. I just want to point out that connecting your Google account is not one that's actually working at the moment, yet it's still in there. But anyway, so you can connect your Twitter or your Facebook or your LinkedIn account. I'm presuming from the talk amongst our participants so far, most of our social media is coming through Twitter and Facebook anyway. So we're thinking those top 2 are probably the ones you're going to most likely use. Let's go in and test one of those now. I'm actually going to connect my Facebook account. So I just tap on a button there to allow me to connect. And basically I just have to log in with my Facebook account. So I'm going to enter in my email and password now. I won't let you see it, so that will just all be blacked out on your screen. And my password. It is obviously easier if you already have a Facebook account rather than having to create a new one from scratch. So make sure you've already got your Facebook account and then you can just simply log in. Now, because perhaps of the security settings in Facebook, you might have set that if alternative browsers try to log in, you'll be given a security code. Okay, so I've got my security code now, so I'm going to enter that in. Okay, so let's try that. Put the code in properly, Amanda, would always be helpful. And go. Okay, it's asking me to remember this browser, so when I log in again, so it would be best if I do save that browser information so that it can talk within the app. So then it's asking me, do you mind if the compass and can talk with my Facebook settings, which I have to allow it to do to be able to share my Facebook stuff, my stuff from the conference onto Facebook. So I'll just say okay. And it's saying would like to post on Facebook again. So I say okay again. And now I go back to the app. And now when I go into my profile settings, you can see up the top your account is now linked with Facebook, and so down the bottom on those blue bars it says connected to Facebook. So if I've got a Twitter account and a LinkedIn account, I can also link those there, but let's just test. Let's just save that step and go and test out how it works. Okay, so now we've linked our Facebook account. Let's see how we might use it. So I'm imagining that you're watching a session. So say for example you're there on the Wednesday and you're in the session on iPads in the classroom, say for example. Okay, and we've got our presenter there and we can see what we've been in here before, so we can see our notes. Now, if I wanted to make a comment about this presentation while I'm watching it, if I wanted to make a status update or a tweet about what I was seeing, then what I actually need to use is I need to use the share button. And this share button is the button that you can see, the sharing tool, that's at your top right corner. So when I tap on that share button, automatically I get given this window, which is basically a status window where I can type in. So I'm going to just write Lucky is testing the ILT 2014 conference app. Okay, so basically, this is now going to be posted onto my Facebook page. So I'm just telling my friends what I'm doing so that they are prepared for that. So what I have to do though, so that it goes to the right place, I've got 3 grayed out buttons down the bottom. I'm going to click the Facebook bar. If I did click Twitter, it would tell me I can't do that because you're not linked. Okay, so I can say cancel. If I clicked the link in button, it would say I can't do it because you're not, you haven't got it linked, because we only link to the Facebook page. So I've clicked the Facebook page and now I say share this, and there's the little cogs turning. So that's now just been shared. It's not shared or saved within the app. It's a social media sharing. It's being shared onto my Facebook page. So let's go and have a look and see what it looks like on your Facebook page, just so that you know what you're looking for. Okay, so I've logged into Facebook and you can see my status update. Lucky is testing the IL2 conference. Usually what we will see is, although it hasn't worked today, so there's a few bugs obviously that we're still working on. So at the moment we're getting the page that you're looking for doesn't exist, which is not so cool, but anyway, that is one of the things that we're working on. And Barbara's already liked and commented. Bummer about the page not found, hey Lucky? Oh dear, dear, dear. So basically what you'll get is your comment, and then there will be a link, a web page link that will take to the abstract or the title of that presentation. So that is how the social sharing works, and I think that it's a really useful way to, just to engage people on social media. There'll be lots of people that aren't at the conference that might be watching you and watching what you tweet and watching what you put up on Facebook, that they might find interesting, where they might want to go and get more information about the things that you've found. So it's really good. I'm on my Facebook page and my Twitter page, well, Twitter particularly, I have lots of colleagues and lots of people that follow, so it's a really great way for me to share professional development information. And even on my Facebook page, yes, I have friends, but I have lots of work colleagues as well. It's an interesting mix of people on Facebook. There's always people interested in knowing what you have to say and what you have to share. So when you're at a great conference like this and you're doing all this learning, it's really nice to add a link, and be able to do that directly within the app is really handy. So that was what we were looking at. We were looking at our social media sharing. Very quick steps, very easy steps. Just link your account within your profile settings. So connect it so that Crowd Compass and the app or the social media are connected to each other. And then whenever you're in a session, for whatever session that you want to make comments about, you just push that share button up the top and away you go, posting a comment about a session. So it's really, really easy to do, and we want this conference to be lots of sharing. We want everybody to share their comments and their thoughts and what they liked. So using that social media will be a really fantastic way to share what you've seen and stuff. So that's it for this video, and I hope that this is all helping you put together what you know about the conference app and make a plan for how you're going to use it during the conference. I hope that does that for you. All right, thanks guys, bye.